The law of attraction is real and it works. Now, just like a car or a diet, it works better when you know how to use it and you have some practice and strategies under your belt. I have the law of attraction best practices for you, and guess what? We're going to do them together all week long. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Laura, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading love and positivity every day and in every way. Today is Wednesday. It's day 3. And like I said, all week we'll be doing law of attraction strategies together. Okay, today's law of attraction and action practices are, first of all, your 3-6-9 technique for affirmation repetition, and then we'll be doing scripting. For the 3-6-9 technique today, I want you to take the affirmation of what you're manifesting that you wrote on Monday. I want you to write that down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening before you go to bed. Before you write it, remember to conjure and create and feel the feelings that you will have once that manifestation is in your reality. So I want you to feel as good as possible. I want you to feel as good as possible while you're doing this. The second technique today is scripting. So you're going to do this any time of day that you prefer, and there's a lot of material in scripting, a lot of videos that you can see, and I'm putting one in the link here. But what it is basically is you're going to think of the reality that you're manifesting, and I want you to create some kind of little scenario around it. It works for you to think of yourself in the future doing the thing that it is that you want to do, or being the person that you want to be that will have that manifestation already in their reality. And you're going to write down a little, almost like a journal entry that you would have written in the future once that manifestation is in your reality. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example here. So those are the 2 practices that you're going to do today. Okay guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow we will continue with these practices, and we will also add some more practices in order to supercharge the manifestation of your desires. Now add some more karma and positive energy by clicking that like button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification so that you do not miss tomorrow's video. Have a lovely, beautiful, and blessed day. I love you all so much. Have a wonderful day and be positively happy. So for your 3-6-9, I'm making a video, Mike! Give me a minute!